Demystifying perfect continuous tenses with helping verbs. Hello, English learners. Today, we are going to delve into a very interesting and important part of English grammar. We'll focus on using helping verbs in perfect continuous tenses. Mastering this aspect of grammar will significantly improve your fluency and comprehension in English. So, let's get started. Before we jump into helping verbs, it's crucial to grasp what perfect continuous tenses are. These tenses are used to indicate an action that began in the past and continues into the present or has recently ended. They include present perfect continuous, past perfect continuous, and future perfect continuous. They help us express how long an action has been going on or when it was happening in relation to another event. Now, let's explore how helping verbs come into play. In perfect continuous tenses, we typically use a combination of two helping verbs. Have, or has, for present perfect continuous, had, for past perfect continuous, or will have, for future perfect continuous, in combination with been. Then, we add the present participle of the main verb, which ends in ing. Here are examples of each tense. Present perfect continuous. They have been studying for 2 hours. Past perfect continuous. I had been reading when she called. Future perfect continuous. We will have been living here for a year by December. Recognizing and correctly using helping verbs is crucial in perfect continuous tenses. Remember, the use of have, has, had, or will have is determined by the subject of the sentence and the tense being used. Present perfect continuous, have, is used with I, you, we, they. Has is used with he, she, it. For example, they have been working. She has been working. Past perfect continuous, had, is used regardless of the subject. For example, we had been waiting. He had been waiting. Future perfect continuous, will have, is used irrespective of the subject. For example, I will have been living. They will have been living. That's it for today's lesson. Remember, practice is key when it comes to mastering English grammar. Try to use perfect continuous tenses in your daily conversation or writing practice. Keep in mind the helping verbs and how they change with different subjects and tenses. Hopefully, this has made using helping verbs in perfect continuous tenses a little less daunting. Keep learning, keep growing, and I'll see you in our next video. Happy learning!